It's got a cool ramp truck bed on it. Why'd they scrap it?
No way.
Alright, you guys, you are getting an impromptu, unplanned vlog on apparently going to a junkyard and trying to get a bed for our C30. So we're making a pit stop, getting some coffee and some food so I'm not hangry in a junkyard trying to pull a bed off of a truck that's 40 years old. So we wanted to come here to check out the bed that's on this. It's got a cool ramp truck bed on it, and our truck doesn't have a bed. So we wanted to check out this bed and see if it's maybe worth trying to get. I don't know. Don't know. It'd be quite the project. Okay, we're talking here to see what we want to do. We've done crazier stuff. We've gotten a javelin out of between two trees.
Yeah, but this is a lot bigger and a lot heavier. And I want to know how the hell we're going to get it out of here.
That's the biggest thing. Because if we get the bed off of the truck, how do we get it from the very back of the yard? Literally, like, what do you think that is? A quarter mile?
Oh, yeah.
A quarter mile to the front.
We could drag the trailer back here.
We could bring a trailer back here. So we'd have to at least get it to the middle aisle over there. Honestly, these door panels aren't too bad. Like, they're not gorgeous, but stuff like this I hate. It's like leaving to get thrown out. There is some stuff on this truck that it's like, it makes me sad, like, why did it come here? Why'd they scrap it? You're coming home with me. I was looking at the other door because it was the mirror that we needed for our other square body, and he thought that they already took this mirror because the door was gone. But still here. It's dented, but that's okay. It matches the rest of the truck.
I got 2 Trans Ams.
No, I don't.
Swear to God, sitting there.
79.
Yeah, what is in it? What's in there?
I don't know. I think they're crushing a wash or something.
No way.
Or it was Time out. We have to save one of them. We can't take the whole car. Mother.
This could be the whole car. So stupid.
I can actually pull it off. I have a screw.
Pretty good hiding spot for a switch. That's some strong Bondo right there. Whoa, calm down. Yeah, buddy. Uno. Dos. All right, we're going back to the car. We're gonna grab some tools and a wheelbarrow. I started picking off some trim stuff and we wanna get a couple other things. So we're gonna grab some tools so we can get that stuff. Get some good pictures of the bed just for future reference and call it good. How do you feel?
Feel pretty good. A little cold.
Yeah, it's cold. My hands are cold. But
Gotta find a Ram truck next.
yeah, while we're here, we're gonna try and find a few odds and ends for our other vehicles, dailies, and friends' cars and such. So yeah, it's not hard to spend money here. All right, we got the wheelbarrow. I'm gonna show you the stuff that's coming home with us. Calm down. Okay, Brandon's adding to it already. We got this, some chrome trim. Okay. 2 mirrors. Bottom of a panel. Top of a panel. The armrests for the panels. Another door panel. Silverado badge. You guys saw this. And then we got the other one for the other side. Even the caps for it. And he's grabbing the one off the back right now. So although we came here to check out the bed because we were so intrigued by that, we're taking a lot of good stuff home. So this stuff is all probably just going to be in storage until who knows when, but these are the kinds of things that it's hard enough seeing a car like this come to get junked and to get scrapped. So I try and take as much as I can home because I hate the thought of this stuff just going to waste. So it was still a win in my book. All right, the last one. All right, we're loading up.
Junk.
More junk. Well, you never know what we're gonna be doing, honestly. It's either gonna be working on a car, going to pick up another car, buying junk for a car. It's always something. So, hope you enjoyed it. There will be plenty more. So, stay tuned. Have fun.